Let's talk about the cost of borrowing money now. The Federal Reserve met today to announce its decision on interest rates.
Not quite what we wanted to hear. The group meets multiple times a year to decide if they should raise rates, cut rates, or keep them the same. Allison Gormley tells us what's the deal with their decision.
Yeah. The Federal Reserve decided to keep rates the same today, and that's because of stubborn inflation. It just doesn't seem to be going anywhere. The Federal Reserve wants the inflation rate consistently around 2%. 2% is the target. However, we are still above that target at 3.3% inflation. Experts say a big reason why inflation is still high: our spending. Okay, so what was going on there is I spoke with an expert named Stephen Cates, and he explained to me that, you know what, it's our spending that's still high. They're seeing pockets and areas of, stepping back, but largely our spending is still there, even though we don't necessarily feel good about it. So when it comes to what this means for us, if you're a borrower, not ideal. Your auto loan, that's going to still be expensive, and your home equity loan, that will still also be expensive. But if you're someone who likes to put cash away, maybe in a CD, savings account, you are still earning, slightly higher than average numbers.
Okay. And to your point about people still spending, that's true. We heard from airline executives talking about how, yes, they're going to raise the price of airfare, for example, because the demand is still there. People are complaining about prices, but they're still forking out the dough.
We're gonna complain.
Yeah. Yeah, and the credit card companies had the same sentiment. And if you're worried about mortgages, you're looking to buy a home, just keep in mind that these are not directly related. And the last couple of times rates were dropped, mortgage rates actually went up. So just if you're in the market for a home, monitor those kind of separately from this news.
And shop around.
Good to know.
Yes.
All right, Allison, thank you very much.